I grew up in Cherry Hill, over across the river in New Jersey, and I was always a writer. I eventually ended up in public relations and have been doing that work ever since I graduated from what's now Rowan University. My first job was as a theatrical press agent up in Connecticut. Did that for a number of years and I loved it, and I probably did more work in 3 years there than I would have at 5 years at an agency. It was a very small operation, but I did everything, so it was a great training ground. Spent about a year, again, doing my own thing, but trying to figure out what I really wanted to do when I grew up. And then an opportunity came to teach at Temple for a year. Long story short, I was hired 2 weeks before the semester started, and I had never written a syllabus in my life. Here we are 16 years later, and I love it. Our PR program is the oldest one in the city. It's the oldest one in the region. We are kind of the grandmother of the PR programs. I joined PPRA a long time ago, probably back in either my agency or corporate days. It was a professional organization in town that afforded me the chance to do networking with other professionals, plus learning opportunities about areas of public relations I didn't know. Building a network, which is not only an important skill to learn in our field, but in any field. It's a life skill. It's a great opportunity for young professionals, people just starting out in the field, to get to know some of the movers and shakers in the field in the city. Seeing the organization grow, the educational opportunities and the programming that are offered, relationship with my peers, helping to mentor young people coming into the organization, all those kinds of things have impacted me. We're all busy, but if you look behind you, these are the people who are going to shape our field long after we're out of it. I want to give them a good foundation. I want to give them a good understanding of what we do, why we do it, what are the changes you're going to face. The field that they're entering is much different than the field that I entered. We have to do this if we want our profession to continue. It's hard work, but those students who really are into it, they understand this, and I feel really good about them going into the field. It's certainly my hope that students get a lot out of discussions and learning in the classroom, but layered on top of that are opportunities for our students to join our chapter of PRSSA and then interview for a position in Prowl Public Relations, our student-run firm. This is an opportunity to apply what they have learned in real-life professional settings. I believe I'm the 44th person to be inducted, and I look at the pantheon of people who have gone before me, and they are just the giants in the Philadelphia PR industry. Being able to join that group is very humbling. I'm very honored to be thought of in that same company. It's the pinnacle of, I guess, whatever level of success I've had in the field.